Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Trello. Trello is a versatile project management tool that makes organizing tasks and projects simple, visual, and even enjoyable. So, what's Trello? Now, let's go to Google and search Trello in order for us to know what's Trello. Okay? Trello. Let's have some drag in order for you to see it. Okay, Trello is a web-based Kanban-style list-making application developed by Atlassian. Okay, created in 2011 by Fog Creek Software. Okay, so Trello is a web-based platform designed to help you plan, track, and manage your tasks efficiently. Think of it as a digital bulletin board that you can organize your ideas, to-dos, and deadlines all in one place. It's widely used for individuals and teams for various projects, from personal goals to complex collaborative work. Yeah, Trello is the best. The beauty of Trello lies in its simplicity and flexibility. You can create customizable boards, lists, and cards to fit any project, whether you're planning an event, managing team, or in my case, working on my MIT thesis. Now, let's begin by accessing Trello to get started. Now, the first thing you are going to do is that open your web browser and then type trello.com. Okay. If you are new to Trello, you can sign up you can sign up for free using your email, Google account, or even your Microsoft account. And then in my case, I need to log in here because I already have an account and I've linked it to my Google account. Yeah, to my email, the university email. And then once logged in, you will see your workspace, the home of all your boards. And this is what we call the workspace of Trello. And you can see all your boards here if you have many. And then you can also create a new board here in this button, or in the upper corner, the blue button one here. And then in my case, since I already have a board entitled my MIT Thesis Deliverables, that I will show you this. Now, by the way, Trello has a mobile app available on Android and iOS, so you can manage your project on and go. After logging in, you can create a new board, again, and open an existing one. So for today's demonstration, I will show you my board entitled my MIT Thesis Deliverables. This board helps me manage every phase of my thesis project. Now, let me show you how Trello looks and how I've organized my board. A Trello board is like a workspace where you can visualize and track your entire project. So, on my board, titled MIT Thesis Deliverables, I've created several lists, so I will open it so that you can see it. Okay, now I've created several lists to represent the major phases of my thesis project. Okay, this includes chapter 1, introduction, and next is chapter 2, review of related literature, chapter 3, methodology, and next is the data collection and initial analysis. Chapter 4, the results and discussion. Chapter 5, summary, conclusions, and recommendations. And the next is the final manuscript preparation. And then lastly, we have the defense and final submission. Okay, these are my list under the board, under the My MIT Thesis Deliverables board. Okay, each list contains cards which represent individual tasks or deliverables. So cards bold all the details of a task, making it easy to stay organized. Now let's explore cards and their features. Now let's dive into one of the lists to explore the cards. For example, in chapter 1 introduction list. Now here, the introduction list in chapter 1, I have cards created. Identify research topic. Okay. When I click on this card, I can see all its details such as, now let's click it. Okay, now I can see its details such as description, okay, a brief explanation of the task, for instance, brainstorm and finalize a research topic that aligns with MIT requirements, seek advice for the advisor. Okay, now we have also the date, the start date, and here the start date and we call that the due date. Okay, the start date and the due date. So you can also customize it here. You can also here, yeah. And then if this is completed, or if this task already completed, you can only check it here. And here you go. The label complete will appear. Okay, now since it's not yet completed, I will uncheck it for now. Now next is the labels and priority. So here, let's go first the labels. Here, tags like research or planning, and here high priority, highest priority, medium priority. So since this is a high priority, so I tag it as high in priority. Okay, now to make sorting and filtering tasks simple. So this is the main purpose. Now cards can also have checklist, attachment here, attachment, and comments. Yeah, you can also have comments here below. This makes Trello not just an organizer, but a repository of all your project information. Okay, now how Trello keeps you organized. Trello visual layout makes it easy to track the progress at a glance. Now, drag and drop is one feature. You can move cards between list and task progress. For example, this card identify a research topic, and you have a list that name or you name the list is final review of chapter 1. For example, you need to create another list, name final review of chapter 1. So if this is already final, you will drag it. For example, this is the final review. For example, you can drag it here, and then the card will transfer to the next. It depends upon you where you can drag it. Okay, once it's done, you can also check it here, and as you can see, the date, the beginning date, and the due date will be colored into green. That's the indication that it's already completed. Okay, if this is not yet completed, you need to uncheck it. Now, let's go to the timelines and deadlines. Trello helps me prioritize by showing due dates and a calendar view. So I'm always on top of my schedule, right? For example, this is the due date. And as you can see, there is also a calendar button here or in the left corner. You can click it, and there you go. So as you can see, you have scheduled for today, not for today, but this month here. And you can also view it as a board or a table like this. Here, as you can see, this is the card, this is the list. So under the chapter 1 list here, we have so many cards, 1 2 3 4 5 cards here under the chapter 1 list. And you can also see the labels here, individual labels, and you can also add members. You can customize members. and due date. So for me, I don't have any members yet, so I leave it blank for now. I leave it empty. And I have a due date. So my first due date is December 15th. So by the way, I need to transfer to the next corner in order for you to see my dates here, my due date. So in count of three, 1, 2, 3. There you go. I'm in the next corner or in the other side of the screen now. So you can now able to see the dates here. Now my first due date again is December 15 and until June 30, 2026. So I supposed to be finished on June 30, 2026. I should be finished. I must be finished. Okay, this project must be done on June 30, 2026. Okay, now let's go back to our main board. Okay, to sum up, here why Trello has been a game changer for in managing my MIT Thesis deliverables. Because first, it is a user-friendly interface. Yeah, it's a user-friendly interface. Its drag and drop functionality, visual layout make it accessible even for first-time user. Yeah, customization. I can structure my board to align perfectly with my thesis workflow. And then next is I think the productivity boost with the deadlines, labels, and progress tracking, so I can stay organized and meet milestones without stress. The last is the accessibility. Trello works seamlessly across devices, ensuring I can update my progress anytime, anywhere. My board, my MIT Thesis Deliverables, is a testament to how Trello can transform even the most daunting projects into a manageable steps. So I can encourage you to explore Trello for your projects. So it's free, simple to use, and incredibly powerful. Okay, thank you for joining me on this walkthrough for Trello board. I hope it inspires you to try Trello for managing your project, even a big or small. Yeah, you can try it. Thank you, and thank you for watching.